Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the courses which are provided by CFI Institute and discuss are they really worth it and paying so much heavy amount to CFI Institute for just getting the certificates from them. So let's begin this video. If you ever searched the CFI Institute on LinkedIn or the people, you can definitely see that they have done the some courses of CFI Institute like financial modeling or crash course on Excel. So let's take a brief look of CFI at LinkedIn. CFI is a global institute. Uh, it has around 2 lakhs followers on LinkedIn, 157 employees on LinkedIn, and there are various courses which are provided by CFI Institute. So this is the just a page of CFI at LinkedIn. Now this is the official site of CFI Institute. There are only four major courses which are provided by CFI Institute. The first is financial modeling and valuation analyst. Okay, this is the first. Uh, the first question which arises in anyone's mind is that after completing the course, from then where can I apply for the job, or what are the field open for me after completing this program. So the career options after completing financial modeling are investment banking, financial planning, private equity, corporate development, equity research, and other areas of corporate finance. Then the other major course provided by CFI Institute are CBCA, Commercial Banking and Credit Analyst. Again, we will see where students can work after completing this program. The first is commercial banking, second rating agency, corporate credit analysis, insurance underwriting, real estate lending, business banking, and the third and another important course is capital market and security analyst. Sales and trading, asset and portfolio management, wealth management, buy and sell side analyst, treasury and risk management. And the last course provided by CFI, major course provided by CFI is BIDA. BIDA stands for Business and Intelligence and Data Analysis. Data analyst, business analyst, quantitative analyst, BI developer, data visualization analyst. These are the four major courses provided by CFI Institute. Apart from this, there are also several courses provided by CFI Institute, but which are of means not up to the mark, or just a course you can do for getting the certificates from CFI to put on your resume, which may or may not add any value in your resume. It's just to fill the resume. Okay, so according to me, if you are planning to do any certificates from CFI from this four, then definitely go for financial modeling. This is the far best course provided by CFI Institute because it is a job oriented course. After completing the financial modeling and valuation analysis, you can apply for different job position at different company and they will consider you. But after completing CBCA, CMSA and BIDA, they will may or may not consider you this certificate because these are only theoretical and not no practical knowledge. But financial modeling is itself a theoretical and practical knowledge both. It includes both. Okay. CMSA, I have applied for financial aid means scholarship at CFI for CMSA and I got it. The average fees for each of the course is $500 per course. Okay. After getting the scholarship from CFI Institute, you will only have to pay $200, means around 15,000 rupees. For this, you have to complete all the free courses provided under the head CMSA for getting scholarship for this field. Okay. So I've completed and applied for and got it within 2 or 3 weeks after applying for the scholarship by the CFI Institute. CMSA, CBCA, and BIDA. These are the courses only for educational purpose. This may not add any value in your resume if you go out and in search of jobs. The best and the foremost important course is financial modeling. Okay, so if you are planning to pay $500 to CFI Institute, then definitely go for financial modeling, because this will add a remarkable value in your resume, and it will help you to build uh, in the field of improve in the field of financial modeling, finance, Excel, valuation, budgeting and forecasting, presentation and visuals, accounting, etc., etc. This is the plan. This is what you will learn after completing the FMVA. Okay, so that's it. It's only worth it if you do FMVA. Otherwise it's not worth a penny if you have put $500 just to get these certificates. It's better to pass NISM or NCFM certificates, which are only 2000 per certificates. Okay, so that's my opinion regarding CFI Institute. So thank you.